Today we are going to learn how to make a simple sketch for our pen drawing. So I'll be using the object you are seeing on your screen right now. First off, I'll be using this circular object to create the circle on the picture you are seeing on your screen right now. To get our proportion right, the circle is almost the same height with the hexagon shape, so that divided into 3 equal parts. So today is what we are going to use to get our proportion for this sketch right. After which we draw 2 vertical lines, one underneath the hexagon and another line in between the hexagon shape and the circle to keep our proportion. Moving to the next, which is defining the shape of our hexagon starting from the top. We are going to use diagonal lines to sketch out the shape of our hexagon and make sure it's in the right proportion. This tutorial is divided into 3 different parts. This is the first part, which is learning how to make our simple sketch. Then the next part will be learning how to shade appropriately using the light direction coming from this object. So this is the first part, which is creating our first simple sketch. Following up, we are making this diagonal line to determine the middle of the hexagon shape, and this will make our hexagon shape evenly equal. Taking your time to slowly make your sketch will give you a proper representation of your reference picture. The second part of this tutorial will be uploaded separately, so do well to subscribe, like and follow on this video not to miss out on the next part of this video. And if you have any question or challenge, simply drop them in the comment section below and I will attend to them. Next, we are going to be sketching the side of the hexagon using the outline I made on the reference picture as a guide. If you find this video tutorial very useful and helpful to you, I will be glad if you take a little of your time to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel to enable more people see this video and be of help to them also. Moving on to the shape of the cone, we start by using measuring lines to make sure our cone is in the right size and in the right proportion. Let's use the line guide in the reference picture to sketch out the cone. While making your sketch, don't be scared of making mistakes. You can still come back to your sketch and make some little changes before starting to shade on your sketch. Make sure your sketch is very accurate. That will determine how good your shading is going to be afterwards. After making my initial sketch, I'm then going back to make some changes in the places that is not in the right proportion and tweaking the sketch outline a little bit before finalizing to move on to shading. And then we move on to sketching the circle shape in the hexagon object. First, I start by sketching another hexagon outline inside of the shape, then using that to outline my circle so that it will give me a perfect rounded circle. After finishing with that, I proceed to making my circle. And when your shape is in the right proportion, making your circle will be very easy for you without needing any support. And now, as easy as that, our sketch is ready. So in the next tutorial, we are going to do the shading aspect of this object. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.